Welcome back to another Crafty Workshop Builds video. Today, I'm going to be doing a comparison between a Husky ratchet and a Ryobi ratchet, so stay tuned.
This is the Husky 12V Cordless 3/8 ratchet. It comes with a charger and a storage case. It's currently on sale at Home Depot for $89 and it has a 2 years manufacturer's warranty. This is the Ryobi ONE plus 18V Cordless 3/8 ratchet. It comes with a 1.5 amp hour battery, a charger, and a small extension. It's currently on sale at Home Depot for $89 and it has a 3-year manufacturer's warranty. This is what these two ratchets look like next to each other. The first thing that you will notice is that the Ryobi is significantly larger than the Husky. The Ryobi will be much harder to fit into tight spaces when working on cars. The small compact size of the Husky allows it to fit into smaller spaces. The Ryobi comes with a charger that's compatible with all the other OnePlus tools. Meanwhile, the Husky has a special charger that's unique to this ratchet. The Husky weighs in at approximately 2 pounds and 22 ounces, and the Ryobi weighs in at approximately 3 pounds and 27 ounces. The Husky has a low profile head, which allows it to fit into tight spots. The Ryobi has a 4-position rotation head. I'm able to press the trigger no matter what orientation I'm holding the ratchet, so the rotation head is not much of a benefit for me. The forward and reverse switch sticks out on the Husky, meanwhile the Ryobi switch is flush with the head. Both of these ratchets have a work light. The Husky has one and the Ryobi has two. The Ryobi light is slightly brighter than the Husky. The Husky has a more low-profile lever, which will help to fit it into tight spots. The Ryobi has a larger lever and is raised up a little more, which will make it harder to fit into tight spots. And both of these ratchets have a variable speed lever. Both ratchets have a lever lock, which gives the option of locking when not in use. I noticed that the larger lever on the Ryobi is very sloppy. This much play in the lever will cause it to snag on things when working in tight spots. The lever on the Husky is a lot more low profile and sturdy. Both ratchets claim to have a speed of 230 RPM. I was not able to tell any difference in speed. Both of these ratchets have a rubber grip and feel decent when holding them. The Husky has 3 indicator lights that tells the battery level. On the Ryobi, there's no indicator light on the tool or the battery. However, there is a slot to store the short extension that comes with the kit. The Husky has a built-in 12-volt battery that takes approximately 1.5 hours to charge. You gotta make sure the Husky is fully charged before you take on a project. Otherwise, you won't have the option of swapping the battery if it dies during the project. The Ryobi comes with the 18V 1.5 Ah battery, and if you already have other Ryobi ONE Plus tools, you can share the batteries. The size of the Ryobi battery is large when compared to the size of the Husky ratchet. The Ryobi is rated at 35 foot-pounds of torque, and the Husky is rated at 30 foot-pounds of torque. The Husky is a much smaller ratchet and will be easier to fit into tight spots, especially when working on cars. The Husky has a built-in battery which does not give the option of replacing the battery, in case it ever permanently goes dead. Unlike the Ryobi, if the battery ever permanently goes dead and will no longer take any charge, you can simply just use another battery. The charger that's on the Husky is a unique plug, so if it ever gets damaged, it's unlikely that you will have a similar charger, and Home Depot does not sell a replacement charger. If you don't mind the battery and charge complication, the Husky can be a good option due to its compact size and ability to fit into tight spots. The Ryobi has the flexibility of sharing batteries with other ONE Plus tools you might already own. However, due to the large size of the battery, it makes it difficult to work in tight spots on cars. In my opinion, I would suggest that Ryobi makes a smaller battery to work with the smaller tools, and reserve the large batteries for the larger tools, just like some of the other manufacturers. Otherwise, if you don't plan to use the ratchet in small spaces, the Ryobi is a good option.
And that's it for this comparison video. If you like this video, be sure to hit the like button. And thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.